Welcome to daily video number 78. Today, Saturday morning, we'll be halter breaking some calves. Now, A1, the white Brahmin here, she's been on a rope. So she's starting to get the hang of it, but she's never been on a halter, and I'm not sure I'll put her on a halter today. I'm worried more about the Jersey Holsteins. There's a Jersey here. There's a Big D in the other pasture over there. I'm gonna go get him here soon and get him on there. I'm just worried about getting it on them, and then you'll see what I do next. You want to tie a knot that you can just pull on it and it just undoes it real easy. You don't want to be messing with her there. Now I'm just gonna let him do his thing over here and understand that he can't go anywhere. And I'm gonna go get a brush, start brushing him, get him used to me better. Now I'm just gonna walk up to her gently and, well, him, A7, and he doesn't take too kindly to the brush. But this is the first time he's on his halter, so he can't go nowhere, and I'm just gonna get him used to me touching him all over. And he's the one other than A1, the white Brahmin heifer over here. Just run away. They don't like being around me. They don't trust me. But I'm just gonna get him used to me, and it's gonna take many sessions. It's not gonna be the first time. I know I said earlier I'm gonna leave him on here for about 10-15 minutes. It'll probably be more like a half hour. It's all good, bud. Swapped this halter because we found the calf halter. The other one was for the horses. He needs to eat more grass. You can see his rib cage right here. He looks way better than when we got him at the auction, though. Probably a month or two ago. I can't even remember. Time flies so fast. I'm just gonna make sure I touch him all over, even on his backside here. We gave him some ivermectin and fenbendazole, and I'm not sure. You can barely tell in person, but a little bit lighter here, but the color's coming back. See a lot more red brown in there. That's a thing that when they get parasites, you know, that their fur goes away. Sometimes their skin gets discolored. This bull calf over here, you can tell all over him, he had it real bad. He's recovering very well from it. You could, not sure if you see just slight discolorations all around him. It was way worse. He already knows that he can't go anywhere. That's why he's not running away from me every time. He might feel that this brush feels a little good to him. It's like a massage. They're comfortable being around each other, obviously. Making him real calm. They're both males there. It's all good. Now let's see how close I can get to the bull calf until he walks away. See how comfortable he is with me. He's already starting to about 4 foot away. Let's see if A7 moves at all. Nope, that's a good sign. Already getting more comfortable with me, huh? Doesn't like that around the face. That's something we need to work on, is around my face. So it'll make the halter getting on a little harder. It's a little bit too early to start doing too much. This is the first session for him, so it's good that he knows he can't go anywhere on the rope, and that's the main lesson we need to teach him right in this first session. Is that you get him on the halter, and that they can't go anywhere, and that you can brush him around there, they get more used to you. So that's great. So there's a good amount of slack in here. He's not even pulling too hard on it because he knows he can't go anywhere. All right, now it's time for Big D. I'm gonna get him on here. He should be a lot more gentle. I haven't had him on a halter yet, so we'll see how he acts. Alright, Big D's starting to hog all this. I know he's eating way more than the others. Oh, good, bud. Alright. Alright, bud. Come on over here. This way, bud. It's a little big on him, so I have to double tie it around his snout. Alright. Come here, bud. There you go. Not that close. Now this is Big D's first time being on the rope. I'm just gonna put that same knot in here so that if I ever need to, I can just pull the rope real easy. It'll come out. Now I put that knot in there. All I have to do is pull this, and it'll all come undone. Let me fix this around the snout area here. I had to loop it around once more because this halter doesn't allow you to adjust it. I don't like that. I like the ones that are just like more like regular ropes that have knots in them instead of the ones that get sewed in. Alright, that's good enough. It's not pretty, but it's good. It's not hurting him none. And then he's hardly even pulling on that. There's no tension. Now Big D is usually the most calm and gentle and loves to rub his head on my leg. Use me as a scratching post. Now I'm just gonna brush him again, just like A7. Brush an A6 Big D to halter break him. He's one of the most gentle calves around here. He's taken to this real well. He loves his scratches. This is the first time he's on the halter. I can't ever remember if we put him on a rope before yet, but it's all good, Big D. Now I'm gonna leave him on this halter for about a half hour. And then when I take him off, he's more gentle, so I might be able to walk him around a bit, but we'll see. I might not. I might just have to let him go for this first session. But again, this first session is just to get them on the halter and make it known that they can't go anywhere when they're on the halter unless we lead them around. And an added benefit is if you can brush them, let them get used to you a little bit more, touching them all over. Starting to get a big belly, Big D. That's real good. He still needs to eat more. I'd like him to see. I doubt you can see it on camera, but in person you can barely see his rib lines. I'd like him to eat a bit more for his age. Chewing his cud. This is going real well. It went real well for A7, the one calf I did before this. I didn't think it'd be as hard, or it'd be as easy to get the halter on him. I didn't have too much of a struggle. Well, I'm gonna leave him be for a little bit, and I'll come back about 15, probably about 15, 20 minutes from now. I brush him a little bit more, and once it hits that half-hour mark, I'm gonna take him off the rope. Might take him around in a circle once or twice. We'll see how he reacts to that. A7's over here, or A1's looking. The white Brahman heifer's looking, see what's going on over here. Well, it's been about a half hour now, so I'm gonna let him off. I'm gonna see how he reacts when I let the rope off, but I'm gonna try to walk him around in a circle. But I'm not too concerned about doing that if he's not reacting well to it. Alright, bud, I'm gonna keep him close. Just go real gentle and see if he follows me. Go, bud. There we go. I gotta pull him a little bit, but I'm just gonna go around in one circle, and that'll be it, because I'm not too concerned. Technically, he's done a lot today. He's been real good. I'm gonna let him off now. Alright. Now, I didn't like this halter. This halter's a little bit big for around their snout, so I had to string it through once, but it wouldn't come off, and this halter's not very adjustable. There you go, bud. Good boy. Now he's gonna go back to that feed over there. Well, thanks for watching today's video. It's daily video number 78 here on the Costa Rican ranch. Hit the subscribe button and like button right now. And come back tomorrow and see what we're doing. And get some tips for your ranch. And if you want to start a ranch, I'll see you guys tomorrow.